Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do dogs pee out of spite? Dogs do not pee to spite you, or when they are mad or for attention and revenge. Instead, they will pee in the house to communicate anxiety, fear, health problems, territorial markings, or simply because they have no other option but to urinate indoors.
Take our lead.
Some of the most common reasons doggos poop or pee inside after walking include medical issues, substrate preferences, and poor potty training at the outset. Go easy on your dog. House-trained dogs commonly have accidents due to stress, a change in environment, or illness.
Make your mark, take our lead.
They replicate this in your home by rolling in your dirty laundry and, yes, your bed. Dogs urinate on your bed because it hides their scent in what the dog considers to be the smell of their protector and companion. This makes Fido feel less exposed.
Let's help you make your mark.
If the behavior started suddenly, see a vet right away. When a housebroken dog suddenly starts peeing on the bed, there is a good chance a medical condition is to blame. Diabetes, urinary tract infections, and spinal injuries are a few examples. You'll want to make an appointment with the vet as soon as possible.
Let's help you make your mark.
Peeing in beds can happen with any dog, and the root of the behavior is more notable than the dog's breed. Your dog could be leaving his scent in your sheets for several reasons. He might have a medical condition, be anxious, excited, or nervous, not be properly house-trained, marking, or just like your scent.
Let's help you make your mark.
Often, a house-trained dog will urinate unexpectedly in the home. Dogs urinate for many reasons besides the simple need for elimination, including submissive peeing, territorial marking, and in response to extreme excitement.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.